back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a crystal unboxing with you to show you everything that's new in stock in my Etsy shop. And I'm Magic Moon Goddess, and my business name is Magickmoonhealing. So if you look for my Etsy shop, you're just gonna put in Magickmoonhealing all together. Link it down in the description box down below, but I'll go ahead and I'm gonna show you everything that's new in stock. It's already there. I'll link each individual item down in the description box as well. I've opened up a Etsy shop in January. I do shorts here and there with crystals. If you haven't seen them already, go check out those shorts of all different items that are in stock. I do crystal pack with me, like orders when people order something. I show you guys like me packing it up and what they order. It's just fun to check out if you guys are interested. I'm more consistent on the shorts than I am making actual videos, because if you didn't know, I have a 2-year-old and he no longer naps, so I don't really have any time to film. But anyway, motherhood. I'm gonna get on with the video and show you guys everything that I got. I only shop through a few wholesalers that I trust and that I like. I don't have like a ton of different places that I shop from. But anyway, you see that it's in a diaper bag box because the wholesaler that I bought it from, they left, like they shredded actual paper, and that's how they partly packed the box, and the paper got everywhere and I had to transfer it into a different box because it was crazy. Why would someone pack with shredded paper? Unless they were like, you know, reusing recycle, okay, that's great, but like it was such a mess, I had to vacuum it. Alright, I'm gonna get right into the video and show you guys everything that we got here. Okay, so try to organize this before I start talking. I'm doing this unboxing in the kitchen area just because it's the best lighting. I kind of wanted to stand up and show you guys everything versus sitting down. Okay, so let's start off with these. Let's start with these beautiful, beautiful chakra, all the chakras. Obsidian tower. I fell immediately in love with these because I love the chakras. If you didn't know, I'm a massage therapist and I also do energy work and chakra energy work. I created this healing with chakra energy work, so that is one of my things that I do in my job. I haven't done it in a while because I'm currently not working as a massage therapist right now. Long story short, I love the chakras and I really can see visually through colors, so I just really love these obsidian towers. They're really cute. I have 3 available. I will say they do kind of get like fingerprinty, but as long as you like wipe them off and, you know, display them in your home, then it would look perfect. And I just love the different chakras. I'm a chakra girl. The next item that I have are these jade rollers. Oof, there's a fly. They're different variations in colors, like this one is lighter, this one is darker. I've sold rose quartz facial rollers when I lived in Japan. Those of you who don't know me, I live a military lifestyle. My husband's in the military and we lived in Japan. Those sold out super quickly, so I got, this time, jade rollers, and they have a gold rim, super cute. I have 4 of them here. The next item that we have is these Crystal Gua Sha rose quartz tools. If you don't know what gua sha is, it is a technique that the Chinese use, and it's actually more well known now. I actually went to school for acupuncture and we do gua sha. I actually did, I don't know if you could see, I did gua sha on my neck. I have all red marks on me. But what it does, it brings up the blood, it brings up the sha, and it helps release all that stagnation, all that stagnant pain that you have. And that is a acupuncture technique that we do. What you do with these is you can lift up your face. It's great to put these in the fridge to make them nice and cold. You just help with prolonging longevity. It's a really great method to get the lymphatic out. It's really great to, you know, move all of the blood and all of the fluid in your face if you're someone that gets a puffy face in the morning or dark circles. This is really great to use. It just feels really good too. So you can literally use anything as a gua sha tool. This is great because it's rose quartz, and rose quartz represents love, compassion, and self-love, so it's perfect. And this one's thicker than this one. I use a gua sha tool as well for my face, and it just feels good, and it's a really great self-care technique to do. Maybe I'll do like a reel of how to do it, but you always want to go more towards up of the face. You don't want things to go down, right? Like when you're getting older, you don't want your skin to go down, you want it to go up. It's just a very simple technique to do every day without doing any damage. The next ones I have are these Opalite gua sha tools. Again, you could literally use anything. You could use the edge of a spoon if you really wanted to, but I thought these crescent moons were super cool. I just love how you can like see right through them, and I love the moons. I really like the combo of pink and opalite together. So I got 4 of those, I think. Let's dive deeper in. We got some bracelets here. These are 6mm bead. If you don't know what that means, it just means the size of the bead. So we got these beautiful, these are obsidian, but they're golden sheen obsidian. So I'll show a view over here of what it looks like. It has like a black and gray tone. So I got 3 of those. I love any black stone because they promote to help with grounding. They usually repel negativity. Definitely obsidian does that, but I love black onyx. I love black tourmaline. I love hematite. These are all stones that are really going to connect with your root chakra, and they're just really great for grounding. All right, next up we have these Caribbean calcite bracelets. I love these. I have 6 of them, and they're in 6mm bead as well. What I love about these is that it's summertime, so it just gives me that beachy vibes. Really, the reason why I also love chakras and crystals together, you have jade is green, and jade is usually represents like good luck and stuff. Red is pink. Green and red connect to your heart chakra. So all the colors, you can really think of crystals. If you don't really know like the healing properties of crystals, or if that's not something you're really into, you could think of it as like color therapy. So when you think of blue, right, it's usually calming and peaceful, like that. Green is really grounding, and then usually green represents like good luck. So if you catch my drift, that's what it is. All right, let's dig deeper into here. I got several of these geodes. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3. I got 7, I think. These are geodes that you take your own tools to break them open. I thought this would be really cool if you have kids, or even for yourself, because I would love to do this. I've done this. I had a ritual box once that you broke open your own crystal. So I got 7 of those. I figured to try out and see how people would like them. They're different shapes and sizes, but they're geodes. And I even thought this would be cool for like a homeschool project with your kid to do. I just thought that was really fun, a really great way to connect with your inner child, and you get a crystal at the end of it. All right, I think that is all of that. This is not the biggest order, but it will do with the new things we have.
These crystals are called pink halite, and they're from Sarah's Lake from California. I don't know if I'm butchering the lake name, but the wholesaler that I bought them from, she went mining with her team, and she got these all different variations, and I just think they're so beautiful, and they're really delicate.
I think this is super cool that I bought this. When I saw it, I was like, oh, I have to have it. And I made sure with her, I messaged her, I'm like, is this when you went to California to collect them? And they're so cute. They're pink rock salts. You don't want to get these wet. So there's all different variations. But I'm going to end the vlog here because my card is now full. And I keep deleting other videos, and I don't want to delete anything that I don't have saved. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, everything will be in the description box. Please go and like my shop if you've never, visited my shop as well. Happy crystal shopping, and I would love to pack an order for you guys. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!